Ladies and gentlemen, I am thrilled to welcome you to the official opening of Factory 56 and the commencement of production of the new Mercedes-Benz S-Class Maybach Sedan. Today marks a significant milestone for Mercedes-Benz as we unveil Factory 56, a beacon of innovation that represents the future of automotive production. Factory 56 stands as a testament to our commitment to advancing the automotive industry, embodying flexibility, digitalization, efficiency, and sustainability. With an investment of approximately €730 million, this state-of-the-art facility at our Sindelfingen plant sets new standards for production, not only for Mercedes-Benz but for the entire automotive industry. One of the defining features of Factory 56 is its unparalleled flexibility. This flexibility extends to the production of various models, from compact cars to SUVs, and from conventional to plug-in hybrid to electric drive vehicles. Thanks to innovative processes and technologies, we can integrate new models into series production in just a few days, meeting market demand with agility and precision. Moreover, Factory 56 is a testament to our commitment to sustainability. In alignment with Ambition 2039, our vision for a carbon-neutral future, Factory 56 is a zero-carbon factory, operating completely CO2 neutral with significantly reduced energy requirements. Innovative energy concepts, including a photovoltaic system and energy storage systems utilizing reused vehicle batteries, underscore our dedication to minimizing our environmental footprint. At the heart of Factory 56 are our employees, who are supported by innovative technologies and processes designed to enhance their daily work experience. As we embark on this journey toward the future of automobile production, we remain committed to prioritizing the well-being and satisfaction of our workforce. I am honored to be joined by distinguished guests today, including senior representatives of Daimler AG and Mercedes-Benz AG, as well as esteemed government officials such as Minister-President Winfried Kretschmann and other dignitaries. Your presence underscores the significance of this moment not only for Mercedes-Benz but also for the region of Baden-Württemberg and the broader automotive industry. Factory 56 is not just a milestone in our corporate history, it is also a symbol of our enduring commitment to Baden-Württemberg as a hub for the mobility industry. The investments made in Factory 56 and the Sindelfingen plant reaffirm our dedication to Germany as a business location, securing jobs and driving economic growth in the region for years to come. The most important feature of Factory 56 is maximum flexibility. On only one level, Factory 56 can perform all assembly steps for vehicles of different designs and drive systems, from conventional to all-electric drive. At first, the new generation of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class sedan and long-wheelbase version will drive off the production line in Factory 56. Later, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class and the EQS, the first all-electric member of the new S-Class family, will also be produced on the same line. The assembly hall is 100% flexible, so that all Mercedes-Benz model series can be integrated into ongoing production in the shortest possible time, depending on demand, from compact vehicles to SUVs. The assembly system of the future gives the entire production a more flexible structure. Two so-called tech lines serve to avoid fixed points in the assembly process, improving the flexibility of the entire factory. They bring together all the complex plant technologies at one point. This means that conversion work necessitated by the integration of new models, for example, is easier to carry out in the other areas of the assembly hall. In the tech lines, the traditional production line is replaced by driverless transport systems. To integrate a new product and incorporate any associated new technical equipment, it is only necessary to change the route of the automated guided vehicle, AGV. A total of more than 400 AGVs are in operation in Factory 56. In addition, the so-called full-flex marriage sets a new standard for the process whereby the vehicle body is connected to the drive system. In Factory 56, this marriage consists of several modular stations and allows major conversion work and longer interruptions in production to be avoided. A cornerstone of Factory 56's innovation is its unparalleled flexibility, made possible by an innovative assembly system. Operating on a single level, Factory 56 seamlessly executes all assembly steps for vehicles of diverse designs and drive systems, from conventional to all-electric drive. Initially, the new generation of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class sedan and its long wheelbase version will roll off the production line. Subsequently, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class and the EQS, the inaugural all-electric member of the new S-Class family, will join the production lineup on the same line. This level of flexibility is achieved through a 100% adaptable assembly hall, enabling the integration of all Mercedes-Benz model series into ongoing production promptly and efficiently, in response to market demand, ranging from compact vehicles to SUVs. The assembly system of the future revolutionizes the entire production process, introducing a more flexible structure. Two tech lines play a pivotal role in enhancing the factory's flexibility by eliminating fixed points in the assembly process, consolidating all complex plant technologies in one central location. This consolidation facilitates smoother conversion work necessitated by the integration of new models in other areas of the assembly hall. Within the tech lines, traditional production lines are replaced by driverless transport systems. Integrating a new product and incorporating associated technical equipment merely requires altering the route of the automated guided vehicle, AGV. Factory 56 boasts over 400 AGVs in operation, ensuring seamless and efficient production processes. Moreover, Factory 56 introduces the innovative full-flex marriage, which establishes a new standard for the vehicle body-to-drive system connection process. This modular marriage consists of several stations, minimizing major conversion work and lengthy production interruptions. The implementation of these cutting-edge technologies and processes not only enhances the flexibility and efficiency of Factory 56 but also underscores Mercedes-Benz's commitment to innovation and excellence in automotive production. Factory 56 marks the realization of smart production at Mercedes-Benz cars, epitomizing the integration of cutting-edge digitization technologies. At the core of this digital transformation is the MO360 digital ecosystem, employed to its fullest extent for the first time in Factory 56. MO360 encompasses a suite of software applications interconnected via shared interfaces and standardized user interfaces, leveraging real-time data to support vehicle production globally. By integrating information from the main production processes and IT systems of over 30 Mercedes-Benz car plants worldwide, MO360 streamlines production control and provides individualized, real-time information and work instructions to each employee. This digital ecosystem has already revolutionized operations at numerous plants worldwide, combining efficiency and quality tools for maximum transparency in highly digitized automotive production. In Factory 56, a new digital infrastructure, featuring a high-performance WLAN and 5G network, lays the foundation for comprehensive digitization. Leveraging state-of-the-art Industry 4.0 applications, from smart devices to big data algorithms, Factory 56 embodies digital production technologies at every level. Notably, Factory 56 operates as a paperless environment, with digital tracking of each vehicle on the line via a positioning system. Relevant vehicle data are displayed in real time to employees via digital devices and display screens, saving approximately 10 tons of paper annually. Moreover, Factory 56 boasts interconnected machines and production equipment, with the majority being Internet of Things, IoT, capable. This 360-degree connectivity extends not only within Factory 56 but also throughout the entire value chain, fostering collaboration with suppliers and transport service providers. Digital technologies such as virtual and augmented reality were utilized during Factory 56's development and planning stages, enhancing flexibility and efficiency in series production. Collaborating with suppliers and transport service providers, Factory 56 leverages tracking and tracing benefits, digitally tracing material flows worldwide. Sustainability is not just a buzzword at Factory 56. it is a comprehensive and integral part of our production ethos. We approach sustainability with a holistic perspective, encompassing environmental stewardship, resource conservation, and social responsibility while maintaining cost-effectiveness. Factory 56's commitment to sustainability is a cornerstone of our corporate values and a significant step towards achieving our sustainability goals. At the forefront of our sustainability efforts is the conservation of resources and the reduction of energy consumption. From its inception, Factory 56 operates on a CO2 neutral basis, making it a zero-carbon factory. The total energy requirement of Factory 56 is 25% lower than that of other assembly facilities, thanks to innovative technologies and practices. A photovoltaic system on the roof generates green electric power, covering approximately 30% of the factory's annual power requirements. This power is utilized in an innovative direct current network, enhancing energy efficiency by powering technical systems such as ventilation units. Additionally, a stationary energy bank, utilizing vehicle batteries, acts as a buffer for excess solar power, further optimizing energy usage. Modern LED lighting and innovative architecture contribute to a pleasant working atmosphere while conserving energy. In addition to energy and CO2 considerations, Factory 56 integrates other ecological aspects into its sustainability approach. Approximately 40% of the roof area is adorned with plants, not only compensating for sealed ground area but also improving the interior climate by retaining rainwater. A novel rainwater separation system stores rainwater, relieving the burden on neighboring water sources and fostering the creation of new green areas. Factory 56's architectural design is a testament to sustainable construction practices. The concrete facade, constructed from recycled concrete made from demolition material, exemplifies our commitment to resource conservation and waste reduction. Furthermore, Factory 56 signifies our unwavering commitment to the Sindelfingen plant and its long-standing tradition. Mercedes-Benz's substantial investments in Factory 56 not only secure the future and employment at the Sindelfingen plant but also support the entire region. For over a century, Daimler has been an integral part of the cultural and social fabric of the region, serving as a neighbor, partner, and vital contributor to the town's diverse life. Factory 56 not only prioritizes environmental sustainability but also places a strong emphasis on social responsibility as an employer. At the heart of our operations are our people, and the entire digital concept of Factory 56 is designed with them in mind. As we embark on this journey, over 1,500 employees will work in 2 shifts at Factory 56, supported by numerous innovations aimed at enhancing their work experience and promoting a healthy work-life balance. In total, the site employs approximately 35,000 people, underscoring our commitment to providing meaningful employment opportunities. From the outset, Mercedes-Benz actively involved its employees in the development of Factory 56, seeking their input and preferences through an online survey. The overwhelmingly positive response rate, with over 85% of employee preferences being granted, highlights our dedication to creating a workplace that meets the needs and desires of our workforce. Modern working practices permeate both the production and administration areas of Factory 56. The sustainable organization of production is a collaborative effort involving the Works Council, ensuring that the layout and design of the production shop are not only efficient but also attractive and conducive to a positive working environment. Break areas are thoughtfully designed, painted in appealing colors, and equipped with modern amenities, while the presence of an on-site canteen minimizes the need for employees to travel long distances during their breaks. The office areas in the main building offer a modern, open working environment, fostering collaboration and communication among colleagues. Ergonomics play a crucial role in Factory 56, with all assembly stages meticulously examined for their ergonomic compatibility. Various conveyor systems, including rotating overhead conveyors and mobile platforms, ensure that vehicles on the line can be positioned optimally for employees. Height-adjustable stations further enhance comfort and efficiency, allowing both young and experienced colleagues to work together seamlessly, benefiting from each other's expertise and contributing to a strong sense of teamwork. Factory 56 is more than just a production facility. It is a reflection of Mercedes-Benz's commitment to its employees, providing a supportive and inclusive workplace where individuals can thrive and contribute to the success of our operations.